Sigi Pochi, state ki responsible ni. Say citizens in Sigi, Magi life, she protect over. Say this is the primary and the foremost duty of the state naval. She talk with the state now. Much as same with the state police ki thaboni. State police had the state ki makhada labor in the car. Police high gumba, law and order, when a public order is a state subject. On the Sigi Pony, and see the Kashu and I committee. Other Queen something about the 13/5/2026 the Guinea Mang record high with Paula Isibo. And I see that carrying as a fifth World Environment Day. On a fifth Junior Rabani, other the inclusive of board day 22 or 23 days for a Manineko. We report me paraga abduction with intention to murder never told Sigi Porshi, Hujipokta 22nd or 23rd day or the Karimta. State na masigi kay mangam da ba si makti yam thin ikai ni ngai ne ba ko adubu kai da this different thing ni khoi important di mi sing du yam precious life to ne ba khoi important lojeri se aduga high court ki do laksara high court intervene to sam phai di kuira bane haije ba akhoi di hemanjit mangi ba atop mangi ma'am si why not they are filing cases mi do na thar sai ko agree party to mama poibe ai natraga magi machimana oibe mana habeas corpus petition thabe habeas corpus tu budi puthora ro ing sai kan read petition du budi ngasai gi state na phagim na tamina ata state ki kanoni na pi state thajan da ni habeas corpus or any other read or a direction to high court thawa na kuiram ne koi haijaba 226 ki makhada article 220 makhada adu itha thade manipur sai na khanbada prithvi gi leibak mayam da khwai dagi high court chattaba leibak si akhoi leibak si ne quite a case had Supreme Court to Sati with the Yada Kanda Mia Mani Karantava when you sat Pivani. I am on the Sati. Kang, don't labor. She will I reckon Kang, they don't come again. Among the patients, quite a pest labor. I do Patabada. Court of Malaysia, my Sagi Article 21 has a protection of life and personal liberty. You Adu Shogati, Article 32 Gimakata Supreme Court, direct not a High Court of 226 Saladon Nevoco. Adu book the Satana, Yang the labor, the Umba Labak never could labak. Aduna akhoi na the government service labor ni na akhoi na PDC di poktak ni mai chat pya lambi ndu ne bu ko du praja sing thabi yu hai bani da hauji ki case e ngon le re high court ki order se ina kutta pai jare page mari khitang pan bani ye tawri se T mark khapai se tha bane bu ko public interest litigation PIL ni man oi se party taret state of Manipur yaure commissioner home yaure director general of police yaure superintendent of police union india aduga yam nungai paom na NIA National Investigation Agency sisu magi respondent number 6 oil sabendana akui lalboy baifai gi khungang sigi chief of Leilong baifai village akoi gi lalboy baifai sisu yawe ko sibudi mai keno du notice su sap taw dre tai singdi mai magi kor sade loi leibini loi longna greo ada khai ham daina hygiene this is the PIL ni PIL the public interest litigation ma the victim na teo mana mahuch maya mahuch lga thabi bane ko PIL CD khoi gi philosophy da PIL thaiba ni pasi pro bono public oidoni pro bono public odi public spirited person ba public ki khanma mi oidoi ne aduga he or she should come with clean hand da lakado bani ai ta ko na PIL entertain tawne o si entertain tawrabani tawbuduna bu akhoi gi 13 da phagi ba 6 abductee hai tare mi chungdi organa adu singdu undress tawri hai an action taken report PBO Makadori Sarkar Sina Highway Port Neboko, the Shiriam Nuai, si Port and Tola, Poland si Pera number 7 Sida, Akoigi, Learned Edition Advocate General, Edition Advocate General AAZ Haya Sambada, Sinakari Hire, Akoigi, Mr. Sitter and the Sinakari Hire, Akoigi, Estero Manipugi, Nasamitore on instruction da, KC handed over to National Investigation Agency, the handed over to Hare Hadana. Pera number 7 the ear hack order sida aduga madu ona taina bada NIA gi council loiba akhoi gi mari matani learned deputy solicitor ki ai samarjit na haiban kari haira masi NIA is yet to receive any intimation ai hai direct ni ko court ki che du ni ko ulu da hajan japote tu pade hajan baya ranchi ga hajan laga board kara ina troda akoi lu da hajan baya de as it is what is given in the law ni ada samarjit sina learned Deputy Solicitor Sinakari Haire NIA is yet to receive any intimation and hire Sigipone. Other I am Nainara Kanda Hoji Kona Tarisi ATR Bureau Action Taken Report Bureau on Monday. Lactor Hayangsit Masem. 8/6/2026 was a response number 1 to 7. aduna 1 to kaya tare 1 to 6 to na koi join hai man join etiaram piro hai no kona tare aduga simale ada sidai dai namu ngasai hangbi budu da makha jatharaga amu hainingi na ena na case ko mani police to no koi pai ti be na di ena na pai to si pot lak sage kai no go mayam impact it through the mayam yingbiri mina koi aseng ba hai dia ena si ena ek amalai ena ek National Investigation Agency Act 2006 si makha to duni ena Statutory Authority Investigating Authority masigi section 6 gi matung na to duni section 6 gi matung ina fast to do si any crime thokpada that's a responsibility to police ma jurisdiction the tare police to adu gi dong ji phagi ba phom du gi jurisdiction gi police ni mon FIR am sani FIR section 154 of aku Indian penal code thai gi hojing na 173 of Bharatiya Nagari Suraksha Sanitai makada 173 gi makada section 1 FIR to ni adu gi FIR do adu police to do go FIR di adu du na amu state government the forward to ni adu na adu de state government amu central government the forward to do ni ena the piro ko aku je bam ta de pangai jam kon tore ena da piro state government na quite fast FIR do state government the commissioner ki state government ni ko state government na central government pi ne sini process se ka yawi NIA Act 2008 ki section number 3 da
adu ha de Kangpokpi district da hana mogi police station da hana FIR to da
FIR do police to na state government na central government pi do ne si process kanya puti adu nungai ba ina haje ni ka ganda hujiki du leira kan si da report central government da state government report pira matung da adu report de phangbaga central government decide to do ne ba whether the case is should be fit to be investigated by NIA haidi kaino kan NIA na pai do sidi schedule offense magi schedule am yaw ek sida adu yaw offense adu dang pai atu om pai roi adu no whether the case handed over or requested by the state government is falls under schedule offense or not as a determine to do ni kanana central government to do ne adu su tang numi kya ni to do ba within 15 days adu di ngasai ge po to the govinda sa soi to kholi pi khero pi da bra whether is central government yob da bra ata ga 15 days du gi parak pada decide to do ya roi do ri ba adu di 15 days thibam changi kai numi ta mana soi to gi kai numi ta pi gi ji hangbam changi ha bani da si panga ha jina ya roi ai na hai si ek tu yob do ni 15 days gi from the date of receipt of the report adu da central government na whether the offense is scheduled offense or not has it aduna scheduled offense oire is a pit case to be investigated by agency oire kan central government na NIA da direction pira ne nang investigate tawro NIA rule committee ko ko di khangdam NIA na phangde lowi lodi NIA na lobo committee is all depend on central government ministry of home affairs makha lebin NIA se ministry of home affairs aduna direction pira ka dun NIA da si case he scheduled offense singe pit oire adu nang investigation tawro ko na direction order thor ka doni adu gi po nei natraga na central government khalaba si case is a pit case to be investigated by the NIA khanda central government na shu moto loroga NIA da direct direction pir su ya
state ki side ki tawda ba as a FIR do pala matung da center lengak ta recommendation tha ba ne ba
center na tha ni center na 15 de ki manung da NIA da nangi case schedule offense to yaw da yengani yaw ta ga case should be investigated by NIA haita ga di fit oire na direction pira kan tigalo adu gi po ne ba
the hostage crisis kumba sum abduction kidnapping si kum maze schedule case di yaw zal
schedule case yaw si ahan bada atomic energy ek ki makha to offensing ani subada unlawful activity prevention in 1967 tawbudabu unlawful activity prevention ek section 15 dadi mi phagi ba khotki basi hostage ka lobasi terrorist ek ni section 15 da yawe ba adu FIR du palam draga yaw du ni an FIR
adu ko gi Kangpokpi police station da pang dawri ba
FIR do
ayo na phazna pandiram da batar ga di case
adu forsa sale
okay
lower moina adagi amana mu atopa yawri anti hijacking act suppression unlawful act si akoi mani mai lenandre sa convention mai lenandre suppression unlawful act si mai lenandre weapon of mass destruction mai lenandre adu Indian penal code ki section 121 dagi na 130 gi manung to crime oraga su FIR du da yaw ta ga NIA na lobi ai ba 121 to 130 ai jina akoi offense against state do state ki matha offense to waging war ga do waging war lan ho ba waging war ga hai du ne ba ko aina khang madu ma section di palam do mande adu lurisina whether these sections are in the FIR or not. Natraga na mo na asembagi central government da masi NIA na thigal han biu haidana report pi da bra. Si yang big question natro. koi honorable koi home minister budi haire mana soi tawrena soi su mana tawdong te sing budi secretary gum kai gum tawdoi ne boko
Kangpupi district si abi da khoi chathok chasin ju ya ba yamna kitang bera leiribni na zero FIR gadi tawba ya da zala masi case de so that FIR da make sing na ek myam section myam je pan biya na ba
yai zero FIR to su ya tawdu zero FIR do orga di amu FIR number chan bam di changi boko anyway anything FIR to do share either zero FIR or regular FIR to biro tawra kan adu FIR du da moin yam singadabal se NI na pai ba ya ba section jing yaw daga NI na lo ro e boko NI lo ba ka khoi sinam khudi me NI na lo ne ba leite it should be decided by central government decide to do ni by virtue of in accordance with section 6 of NI Act 2006 8 ki matung decide to do ne
zakari gumba Kangpupi police station da ahan ba kano file to was raised the section myam ji yaw dre har se aduga second zero FIR palaga madui da yahan madi yabra
FIR si ama hung tor su yai moina ko FIR ano ba ma pal su yai adubu aina khambada masi punamak si kadobu khangdani police na manipur de NI da sinaba this is not the first case sina yam abane case khuding si NI da sina lerem ne khoidi adu gi potu da ai haijoro gadi that is noina khangada bani NI only take those cases those offenses they are enumerated under schedule to the NI Act aduna madu munna yengada bani haptan gada bani haba terrorist ek ni haiba adagi unlawful activity prevent ek ki makhara taw thabak ni haidna harona faida na nungoi pai kangun unlawful activity prevent ek ki makhara taw bani ade moju waging war ni 121 ni ka hapsan gada na haba ni da adu hapsan derga di NI na central government hayeng these cases are not under the schedule of NI Act ha ka su lobira roi ba ko ata yo kata ni na adu su akhona khangbi gada bani adu honorable home minister hayamina mana soi taw hre hayamina tawbu oyasanu tawbu that should be decided within 15 days 15 day ki manungda mana submit to boy da koi date to haibiro date kya da pi ge central government date kya tha gare haibiro ado only is that central government receive the report from the state government adu report receive to bonu to receive haibani ko central government hujikti report haga aeroplane da adagi the train da satoi na te ba fax kap to ngone ba kap to aduna takpati on day of the sai send to bonu to receive samana natra adu 15 day count toro 15 day du da moina NI da sinabagi central government ministry home affairs na direction gi thokpagi order pass to homdraba KSC NI na low da sim khangbir
okay adagi oza hoji monday the action taken report high court na kauri base masai is exactly judge mayam na yenga kadu is kari yenga kadu
akoi gi public interest litigation ni na high court ki rule gi matung in issue be decided by division bench just ani phamung ne ba ko just ani ni to akoi thengna ba da oi da sharo anam hayeng action taken report si pikhalani central government na sai gi respond number 1 to 6 sina pula pirakado ni si mayam si hoji pok si bok tawre se adu da court na yengdoi ne whether action taken do satisfy oibra bra si ne ba yeng tawdu se ai kham satisfy di oidau mande ai khamata action taken report la yule no mande kham
Kayuma satisfy oide haiba taragadi madugi response phangba matamda hojiki hariba sigi PIL file toriba or missing families or community myam nuai ta phungoi baje masi irang jam hena chakut kadoribra lengak ta mena nuai ta baje hengat kadoribra
moina kari irang tor kadoino hadu da khoin haiba yade ko this is not my concern tawudabu action taken report to the satisfaction oida ta gati high court harakane nang kadau tawdino police station aseng badi hostage phagi ba mi abduction taw bai khudak ta combing operation tawraga within a few minutes akoi sidi yone 22 days masi pung do tho di pung 500 600 sura mane mi pung se hour da odi 500 600 hours sura mani sibok thau ji kai dawri ke what you are doing akoi jag marki na haiba kanu haibni marathi maronda si kai dawle ge hankane ba what your police are doing what your armed forces are doing as a soida hanga do ne what DGP is doing si hang pada in khamada akoi action taken report kari oire terrorist akoi request to lere action dem to re appeal government appeal to akoi
ozas minor action taken report ni re lenga ki side ki pire court satisfied oidre haibadu khatang dana dum loisin gadori
lore
hari court ke side ki di punishment pi bi penalty kumba lenga ti
ko na direction pirakani to da ta ga ni sumai to citizens single life si asukit important oi this under article 21 the yauri no person shall be deprived of his life and a personal liberty except according to procedure established by law and yauri ne bako adu makhada hauji bok da nang kind action law dibra what your police is doing what your DGP is doing what unified command is doing and mathang ko direction pitharani direction pi bada amata chen ba yaro hayang ko na pe ko direction du mathang da mu madu gi reply pi har kaneba adu in the ta ga mo contempt ko chadana discipline action lawtana lairi mi sing du loine hoji chen mi sing du loine ma personally liable ne ko liability ani ni amana responded superior highest level the lay do superior ni adu amana individually the person who is not acting that also liable ni lo ena liable o ena haira ni adu na ina khamada aina adu khangde ko ying si we hope best for the court adu sigi case na mai pa pa taraga di mangri mi ma'am do madu su sigi follow up action the moju case mayam tharaga masi sathaba chumren khale adu aina khamada huji high court sanga abanina we hope something from the high court adu upay taka di supreme court chata bani soidna kai khari tor khani adu action taken report ti aina yengbada di public domain di thoidok leite wari sabagumba terrorist ka negotiate tawna hona ba mi pir o haidna haiba appeal tawbasi only happen in Manipur terrorist na hana kapthadana lan tawdun loirane me mi ga rescue tawrone sangjilaga natraga black cat national security guard ka je thajan na tawrane ba akhoi na dum amna tawde terrorist singa wari sanaba adagi de haijaba nonjaba tawlare government no haijabro government si warning piraga kapthokado mi do terror adu tawde ana in khamada action taken report si pidinga letadana no action taken report olak pusu yari